There's Marshall enjoying his first bites of cereal.
We can't get it into him fast enough.
Oh my gosh, kid.
I'm gonna freaking get this hand down. It's not allowed to go inside your mouth when I'm trying to feed you cereal. No. You can be pissed all you want later. I don't need any help feeding you.
Do you have to cry every time? Every time the spoon gets taken away.
Oh, we forgot baby Tylenol.
Needless to say, I think he likes it.
Kids are going on YouTube. Did you see that? I'm trying to pull it up off his cheek, and he's like, "Get to the spoon, get to the spoon." Okay, now you're not even opening your mouth. Come on.
Oh my goodness, look at all that.
Hey, let go of the spoon.
Oh, it starts already.
Look at him.
Oh my gosh. Oh, kid.
Let go so I can get more.
See, this is proof when you get older, you get all mad because you were a fat baby.
Let go.
You know why.